Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2018 Dodge Journey, and in this quick video I'll show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's go. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood. So just pull the latch. And secure the hood. Okay. So I'm gonna show you on driver's side since it's more complicated. Okay, so I'm gonna show on the passenger side and then I'm gonna show you the driver's side. There's a little trick on the driver's side. So how do we change bulb? First of all, we have to allocate one. Okay, so this right here is gonna be a low beam light, and these other ones are high beam and turn signal. So let me show you on high beam. Okay, so first thing, we just spin the bulb, get it out. Okay, once it's out, what you can do, you can just pull here. You see, I'm pulling these two things and just removing the bulb. Okay, so once you have the replacement bulb, same way, you just put it back on, connect it, and get it in. Okay, this is the high beam. Okay, make sure you put it the right way and spin till it clicks. Okay, that's it. Now low beam is right here. Okay, so same way, just spin and pull out. Okay, yes, it's a little bit limited space, but it's gonna be the same procedure. Okay, just disconnect the bulb, replace it, and put it back in. Same way, put it back in, spin it, and it's in. Now the passenger side is a little bit more complicated since it's way less space here to work on. So what I would recommend is getting out this connector out of your way, get this wire out, and then you are able to get your hand in to change the bulb, which is right there. Okay, so yeah, if you remove this out of your way, you will be able to get your hand inside and change the bulb. When you're done, connect, put this thing back on, and you're all set. So yeah, this is it. That's the whole procedure. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.